Go, dog, go.
I don't know if you know this, but Lexi likes dogs just a little bit.
That's not true.
It's not?
No.
Oh, she doesn't like dogs at all. All right. Dog. Big dog, little dog. Big dogs and little dogs. Black and white dogs.
Hello. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Do your dogs talk to each other?
Maybe.
One little dog going in, 3 big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a
yellow tree. Weird.
Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. 2 big dogs going up. 1 little dog going down. Lexi, do you like roller coasters?
Not really.
The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in. The red dog is out. Try not to block Lexi's face because she gets upset with me. 1 dog up on a house. 3 dogs down in the water. All right, I'm going to let Lexi share pictures. We'll do that. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. But don't move it around, you're going to make them dizzy. 2 dogs in a house on a boat in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Lexi also loves to go swimming.
Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye.
The dogs are all going around and around and around.
Go around again.
Party time.
Party time.
The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house.
It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under the house.
And my guess is that it's hotter in Florida than it is here in Pennsylvania.
So, yeah.
Now it is night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Oh yeah, picture. Dogs at work. Work dogs work. Dogs at play.
Play, dogs, play.
Batter up.
Batter up. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again. Goodbye. That's a very steep hill. I would not want to do.
You want to skiing?
I do, but look how steep that thing is.
Dogs in cars again. Going away fast. Look at those dogs go.
Go, dogs, go. It's a green light, so they can go. Stop, dogs, stop. The light is red now. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now.
Have you ever played the game red light, green light?
Yeah.
It's kind of like this. Go, go, stop, go. 2 dogs at play. At play, up on top.
Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down.
Hey, what are they playing? What are they playing?
Tennis?
Tennis. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Gabby, you hear that? You sleep all night. Now it is day. The sun is up. Now is the time for all dogs to get up.
Get up! It is day. Time to get going. Go, dogs, go!
But where are they running to? You do? There they go. Look at those dogs go. Why are they going fast in those cars? Where are they going to do? What are they going to do? Where are those dogs going? Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. You see it in the distance?
But look. There's a ladder. There's a ladder on it.
Oh, yeah. She remembers. Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out. And now look where those dogs are going. To the tree.
To the tree.
Tree party. Up the tree, up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree. Why? Will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of that tree? You know? Oh boy. I wonder. I don't remember. A dog party.
A big dog party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs are all at a dog party. What a dog party.
They even have a swing. Look at this.
That's a good dog party. I would want to go there. Even though I'm not a dog.
And they're playing jump rope.
Yeah. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do. What a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. Goodbye.
The end. We hope you like it.
Bye.
Bye.